What's up everyone, this is Ryan here. Today I'm going to do another update video on the Arrma mojave brushless 253. Now you can see this thing got used once again this weekend. It's because you can see how much especially this means that you can see because, I mean, you can see how much especially this machine been used. I mean, look at that. I mean, you can see it's covered in glass, but what you can see is definitely looks really nice. You can see I think the most hot. Yeah, it is hot a little bit, but I mean, this is brushless. This is not a brush model like the Vortex, in my opinion. But you can see how much especially this machine has been used almost like every single time this machine is like, you can see the battery. Yeah, I mean, the battery, it is a little warm, in my opinion, but you can see how much especially this thing is like, you can see. I mean, you can see this thing is really covered in grass, in my opinion. Like, look at that. I mean, that's how ridiculous is that, in my opinion. What it is, because I always clean the body off and make sure there's no glass, and you can see, but just take that how much it's better. This thing exactly, which it's definitely what it is on this machine exactly, which is definitely looks pretty nice, in my opinion, but it definitely will be used again on the weekend. So I know that, so you can see how much better this machine is gonna get used almost by quite a bit. But otherwise, it's a pretty nice looking machine, in my opinion. It will get used again on the weekend, so you know how suspended this thing is gonna get used almost quite a bit. And look at how this machine's been used almost like quite a bit of times, because if this thing did not get stuck in the grass like that, it wouldn't, you can see, but this is a pretty nice looking machine, in my opinion, and this thing will get used again on another weekend, and this is a very nice looking machine.